In this video, we will be changing YouTube default UI to more focused and immersive experience. First, make sure to bookmark YouTube subscription page instead of homepage, because it's more focused and shows you only content from subscribed channels. And to collapse this sidebar, just zoom one or twice, depending on your resolution. It will collapse the sidebar and give you more focused view. Now we will be installing extension named Enhancer for YouTube. This allows you to customize YouTube according to our needs, so follow along. The privacy policy of this extension clearly states that it won't collect data, and this extension is only active when YouTube sites are open. This will be the settings interface of the extension. This is the default UI. This doesn't show views count and date published right away. As for that, we need to scroll down even more, and also no dislike count, which is useful when trying to find authenticity of the tutorial quickly. Although recommended video helps us explore new content, but right side of the video playing is quite distraction. So stay tuned for the changes we are going to make. Just copy-paste my settings. Some are personal preference, so follow along. I keep my default video quality at 720p. For faster loading, you can set it to 1080p. Again, for faster loading, I set video to play at 30 FPS, but you can skip this option to keep it default. This is also optional, as end screen cards are useful and helps that creator, so it's personal preference. Now about the YouTube inbuilt theater mode. It does expand the player but leaves side black bars. We can reduce them using Enhancer. Hide livestream chat and hide shorts is personal preference, and it's optional. And convert shorts option converts shorts video to normal YouTube video. Now this is the important part, which will help us bring the old YouTube UI, where views count and date published were shown just below the video. And also using this, we will enable dislike count, so follow along. First, we need to copy-paste this script. Don't worry, it's open source script, and scan result will be provided ahead in this video. And to our knowledge, it hasn't caused any issues with YouTube account, so you don't need to worry. Just select the code and copy and paste it in Enhancer Custom Script section. Now leave a bit of space, as we will be copy and pasting return dislike count script. Just select the code and copy and paste it in Enhancer Custom Script section. That's it. Now just click on Save button, and we are done. Time to see in YouTube all the tweaks we applied. Here you can see a better theater mode with reduced side black bars. Also, the view count is quickly visible with date published. And the recommended videos are only visible when you want to see them. And the description section auto-expand. And there is a mini player while you view the comment section, which is useful if we want to timestamp video in comments. Now, the player itself have new buttons. This takes screenshot of the video playing. This button is from Sponsor Block Button extension, not related to Enhancer. It's optional. You can check links given below. There is also a Boost Volume and Loop Video button. This setting button takes you to Enhancer extension settings. Now for the scan result, we will copy the script code and paste it in text file and scan it by saving it as JS file. It sounds complicated, but it's simple and optional, as I will show more easy way to scan the code. Here is the scan result. It shows this code is clean. Now you can directly scan the site hosting the code we used. Just follow along. If you want an open source Enhancer extension alternative, then this is your option. Although it lacks some features compared to Enhancer, but you can check it out. If we want more videos to be displayed per row, then follow along. Do note this step is for UBO extension users only. Go to UBO extension settings, and under my filter section, copy-paste this code from description. Do note, changing this number sets the number of videos per row, so set it according to your needs and apply. Thank you so much for your time. Do consider leaving a like if it helped and subscribe to help us grow. Have a good day.